I will call this fantasy roof. From here, click tab, right, polygon. I'll use polygon 2. Go down here, make it a bit more solid. 0.3 should be fine. And also get the gradient linear 1, and from here rotation set it to 180 degrees. Then take the blend node, drag it here and connect them together. And from here go to blending mode, from copy to put it to min darken, so it has this shading effect. I will actually lower this because you can still see that it's still an hexagon. So to do that, I'll use histogram scan. So right here, position, I'll put, you could it's your preference. I would put somewhere like 0.43, not too much. I might change it later. So go here and click splatter. Okay, so from here change the green number to from 4 to 3. The size until they touch, kind of, so it's 127, and drag it to maybe 200, around 200. So we want this to a bit distort, so disorder just a little bit. Go to luminance variation, not too much, but probably somewhere here, 0.57. But from here you need to get the damage node, so get the polygon 2. It's fine, this is fine, and go to splatter again. You could choose however you want this to look, so maybe more with the height. Luminance variation all the way to 1, and rotation variation a bit everywhere, because damage is it's a bit randomized, so you can play around with this. I feel like this is good for me, maybe a bit more width. So from here go to bevel, right bevel, and from here distance, reduce it to something like this. This is good for me. Then go and get invert grayscale, and from here you can play around. The more you have, the less distance you have, the less damage is gonna show. The black creases, they're actually gonna be the damage. So if you want less creases, put the output level minimum to a bit higher. I'll just leave it right here. So from here I'm actually gonna put the bevel to a bit lower. So go here, get blend again and attach them together, and get the multiply blending mode. So click here, so it shows all the damage. You can get the gradient map from all the way here, so drag it down. You can choose the whatever color you want, so I'll do something like this. And actually I want the damage to show less, and so there's more contrast, so I'll put this to around the middle here. Get rid of this and get the HBO and the height as well. So if you click scene and cylinder, so you're gonna have this. I will lower the roughness so you can see better a bit here maybe. So from here go to materials, default here, and tessellation, scroll all the way here, so it's kind of done. So go here, right click, export outputs. You can keep this as it is. I just changed some things up a bit, so it looks something like this. I don't know if the damage is gonna be the same, but I'm just gonna show you what I've changed with this. So the gradient is the same, something with position, something like that, and the sizes I changed them a bit. Rotation, so the gradient, this is the code, and also this, and I think that's it. Also change the intensity to 3, because I think it was 1 first, but to 3 is better. and I think that's all. Hopefully you find this helpful. I might do more of these because I kind of enjoy doing it. So yeah.